Hello class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your geography teacher. In the last class, we had studied about the summer season, means the hot weather season, that is summer season. Okay, so today we are going to start a new topic, that is the name of topic is advancing monsoon, the rainy season. By early June, the low pressure condition over the northern plains intensify. Means rainy season started by the early June. Okay, so let us move towards this topic for detailed study. Okay, so see, by early June, the low pressure condition over the northern plains intensifies. Means by the end of by early June, what happens, the low pressure condition that prevails over the northern plains, it attracts the trade winds, and these low pressure attracts the trade winds of the southern hemisphere. These southeast trade winds originate over the warm subtropical, means these winds, from where this wind originate? This wind originate from where? Over the warm subtropical areas of the southern oceans. They cross the equator and blow in a southwesterly direction. From where they blow? They blow from equator, and finally they blow in a southwesterly direction, where entering the Indian peninsula as the southwest monsoon, and lastly it entered in the southern in Indian peninsula. As these winds blow over warm oceans, just you have seen that these winds blow over warm oceans, then what happened? They bring abundant moisture to the subcontinent, and these winds bring with them abundant, means so much, too much moisture to this subcontinent. These winds are strong and blow at an average velocity of 30 km per hour, and this strong is too much. These means you can say that these winds are so strong, and its blowing capacity velocity is up to 30 km per hour, with the assumption of the extreme northwest, and it is means here assumption of the extreme northwest. The monsoon winds cover the country in about a month, and by it take almost 1 month to cover all the country to be come under monsoon. The inflow of the southwest monsoon into India brings about a total change in the weather. And what happened? And the inflow of the southwest monsoon, this brings changes about total change, means not only few change, means short or little change, but it changes in the total changes in the weather condition. Early in the season, the windward side of the western Ghats, विंडवर्ड जो विंड की जो हवा की जो रुख है, उसकी तरफ जो हवा का जो रुख है उस किसकी तरफ? Side of the western Ghats receives very heavy rainfall, and this side receives too much, means very heavy rainfall, more than 250 centimeter. How much of rainfall it brings? More than 250 centimeter. The Deccan Plateau and parts of Madhya Pradesh also receive some amount of rain in spite of lying in the rain shadow area. वो अलग छोर में बसने के कारण के वजह से भी मीन्स आप कह सकते हैं वो बसा हुआ है, इसके बावजूद भी इट रिसीव्स व्हाट the Deccan Plateau and also other parts of Madhya Pradesh, instead of lying in the rain shadow area, it also receives some amount of rainfall. The maximum rainfall of this season is received in the northeastern part of the country. Means the maximum too much ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा amount of rainfall received to the northeastern part of the country. Masen Ram in the southern ranges of the Khasi Hills receives the highest average rainfall in the world, and also you have seen that in our country Masen Ram in the southern ranges that situated in the Khasi Hills also receives the highest average rainfall in the world. Rainfall in the Ganga Valley decreases, and when we see towards other side the rainfall become decreases towards in the Ganga Valley, from where from east to west. Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat get scanty rainfall, and in this same way when we move towards west side the rain become very scanty, means very little rainfall, means you can say no rainfall. Another phenomena associated with the monsoon is its tendency to have breaks, and other important phenomena of this monsoon is the tendency, the capacity to have breaks in rainfall. Thus, it has wet and dry spells. In this way, sometimes it brings, maybe sometimes it is dry and wet. In other words, the monsoon rains take place only for a few days at a time. And also, when we saw on the other side, you will find out that the monsoon rains also take place only for a few days at a time, means बहुत कम समय के लिए बारिश. They are interspersed with rainless intervals. These breaks in monsoon are related to the movement of the monsoon trough. Means you can say that these breaks is also related to the movement of the monsoon trough, means कम दबाव का क्षेत्र. For various reasons, the trough and its axis keep on moving. The trough and also on which it moves its axis also keep on. But on moving northward or southward, which determines finalize the spatial distribution of a rainfall. When the axis of the monsoon trough lies over the plains, जब ये एक्सिस जो है वो मॉनसून का ट्रफ जो क्षेत्र है किसकी तरफ झुका होता है, प्लेन्स की तरफ. रेनफॉल इज गुड इन दिस पार्ट्स, और इस पार्ट में रेनफॉल मीन्स अच्छी खासी बारिश होती है. ऑन द अदर हैंड, व्हेन एवर द एक्सिस शिफ्ट क्लोजर, एंड व्हेन वी सी ऑन द अदर हैंड द एक्सिस एंगल shifted, then what happened? Shifts closer to the Himalayas. There are longer dry spells in the plains, and there you will find out that there is longer spells of you can say shift longer dry in the northern, or you can say in the plains. And wide spread rain occur in the mountainous catchment areas, and you will find that and also widespread rain occur towards mountainous area of the Himalayan rivers. These heavy rains bring in their wake एंड दीज मतलब कि ये जो रेनफॉल है, जो हैवी रेनफॉल है, वो क्या लेकर के आता है अपने वेक में, जागृत जागना, डिवेस्टेटिंग floods means too much destroying floods, causing damage to life and property in the plains. And after this rainfall cause floods, devastating or causing damage of both life and property, and where to the plain area. The frequency and intensity of tropical depressions too, and also determine the amount of duration of monsoon rains, and also it justify the that how much long time monsoon will stay. These depressions form at the head of the Bay of Bengal and cross over to the mainland. These depressions, this movement what will happen? Form at the head of a Bay of Bengal, and after this crossing to mainland. The depressions follow the axis of the monsoon. This depression follow the axis of water, axis of a trough of low pressure. The monsoon is known for its uncertainties. That's why monsoon is also known for its uncertainty. इसकी कोई संभावना नहीं है. The alteration of dry and wet spells vary in intensity, frequency, and duration. And also you have seen that the alteration means by giving gap of dry and wet spell also vary in its depend on its intensity means speed, tivrata, and also frequency. Frequency means that you can say avriti, and also its duration means time. While it causes heavy floods in one part, and while you see that at one time you have seen that at other part that area is full of flood, and it is often irregular, and it may be responsible for droughts in other part, or and also this flood may also cause drought in other part. वही फ्लड वही पानी एक जगह फ्लड पूरी तबाही मचा सकती है, और उसी दूसरी जगह पर हम देखेंगे तो सूखा पड़ा होगा. It is often irregular in its arrival and its retreat, and it is irregular. ये इसकी रेगुलरिटी नहीं है, irregular है इसके आने में और इसकी वापस जाने में. Hence it sometimes disturbs the farming schedule of millions of farmers all over the country, and because of these uncertainties of monsoon, it create problems for the Indian farmers. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about retreating post monsoons, and the distribution of rainfall, and also monsoon as a unique unifying bond. Okay, we will discuss in next video. So today only this much. Thank you, beta.